my channel. Today I'm going to be trying on more loungewear slash winter clothes. I've got a big haul from Ganda Clothing. They were very kind and sent me like a massive box of clothes, so I haven't tried them on yet, so I'm going to try them on in this video for the first time. I've got this piece on. It's like one of my favourite jumpers they sent. I love that they sent everything oversized, like the jumpers are really loose and baggy, which is how I like them. So yeah, if you're looking for some inspo for some cute outfits you want to purchase for wearing at home or just wearing for winter, then keep watching. I've never seen Ganda Clothing before, and it's an Australian brand, I'm pretty sure, but we don't have it here in Sydney. But I just feel like everything's so my style. It's like my new favourite shop. I'm just in love with the quality and the prints. Anyway, let's try them on. Oh, I've already got an outfit on, so I'll show you this one. So yeah, I just hung everything up, but I haven't tried on this stuff yet. I've got this first outfit already on. I just picked up this jumper. It was like one of my favourite ones out of the little haul. I just love the colour and the print. It's just really cool and like kind of vintagey, and I love the oversized fit. I'll leave the sizes on the screen so you have reference, because I did get some of the stuff oversized. So yeah, I love this jumper. I love the stripes. It goes along the back as well, and it's like a maroon colour. These trackies are my favourite. I love the colour and the little butterfly we have here. They're super comfy and yeah, just perfect for home, and I like how it matches this jumper. So yeah, they're the perfect fit. They've got the cuffed bottoms. Oh, look at my socks. I'll show you my socks. I'm not that flexible, but they've got little rude fingers on them. Look at me. Ow. So yeah, I'm living in this outfit right now. I wore it last night to Fabian's house. It's so comfy. Next outfit. So we have a tie-dye number on. On the packaging it says hand tie-dyed. Each garment is individually tie-dyed by hand, making each piece unique. So I think that's really cool. I actually just vlogged the other day me tie-dyeing, and they're still drying and stuff, but they'll be up soon. Maybe before this video. I'll leave it down below if it's already up. So we've got this t-shirt and it's got like a little peace sign on it. I just love the blue and white colours. And then the matching trackies are super cool, super comfy and soft. They've got zip pockets. This is probably one of my favourite sets as well. It comes with a jumper, which I'll put on now. Also, the t-shirts aren't super cropped. It's more of like a medium, actually it's kind of full length but like loose. Let's take the sticker off. So this is the matching jumper. Love it! I'm kind of obsessed with tie-dye at the moment. I just made a few sets in my backyard the other day, as I said, and yeah, I vlogged it. I'll leave it down below. But I made like a yellow set, a green set, and now I have a pretty light blue set. And the jumper's got like a really nice logo on it as well. Super cool and different. I've never seen this around in Sydney in stores. I feel like Ganda has such unique, cute pieces that I love. Let me know if you guys like tie-dye. I know it's like very 70s, but I'm digging the trend. I love it. I love wearing colours. Alright, next outfit. Okay, so this is a major 70s vibe with like the big hair, the flare, jeans, and just like the warm colours, but I'm loving it. Love it. I really like stripes at the moment as well, and turtlenecks, as it's getting really cold here in Sydney, so I love having my neck nice and warm. I love this stretchy ribbed material. The sleeves are a good length. What a vibe, what a vibe. I don't really have like flared coloured pants, so I'm loving this colour. It's so warm, it matches my room. I was scared they were going to be too small, because sometimes I'm in between a size 6 and a size 8 in pants. I'm generally a size 6, so normally with jeans and stuff I go a size 6, but a lot of the time when I'm doing collaborations and stuff, the jeans are always too small and I have to go up to an 8. But these are a 6, and if they didn't have a slight stretch to them, they would be too small. But they do have a slight stretch, and I feel like if I wear them out, they'll like get a bit looser, because they're kind of like flattening my bum at the moment. But they're still comfy, and I can like sit comfortably. I feel like I should be on a 70s TV show. Love it! What do you think? Do you hate 70s fashion? Do you like it? Is this 70s fashion, or is it like 80s? Pretty sure it's 70s, but... Okay, so I've got some like separate pieces that I'll quickly try on and show. So we've got a little basic crop tee. It's not super cropped, it's more medium length. And it's got this cute little daisy on it. It's like a washed grey colour. Such a cute basic if it's warmer weather and you just want to wear shorts and a t-shirt. We've got this t-shirt which is a bit less cropped, I feel like. Yeah, it's a bit longer. It's got this sun on it. I just feel like that's my vibe. Matches my room. It's like a dark green colour. Love my green. You know I love green. I love this cardigan that they sent. I've been looking for a nice white cardigan to like chuck on to go with trackies or something. And this is also a really nice thick cable knit material. So yeah, that's super cute. It's got little pockets as well. So we've got another crew neck that I'm just putting on. This one's got a higher neck than the other ones, and it's also got like a tighter, I feel like it's got a tighter bottom, so it kind of goes out a bit more. It's got a pink butterfly on it. It's kind of got like a washed look. Yeah, I just love the little logos they use, like the butterflies, the sun, the daisies. It's super cute. It's also cute for like younger ages as well, like 15, 16. I'm 22, but I still like to dress like a 16-year-old sometimes. Love that. Okay, so we have this butterfly turtleneck. It's really cute. It's got 3 little orange butterflies. It's a good, not too thick, but a nice rib stretchy white material. And we've got these jeans, but they're too small, so I'm sucking it in, honey. But they are going to send me a size 8, which is really kind of them. This is a size 6, and it's just, I can't walk or bend my legs or sit down. Like, it's fine if I'm just standing, but nah, can't go past that. But they've got little daisies on them, and I can't even lift my leg up, guys. They've got little daisies throughout them, which I think is really cute. I don't really like wearing black jeans. I always wear blue. Don't really like wearing black a lot, but these are cute and different, so I'll definitely wear these. I just need a size 8. And I never wear skinny straight leg jeans because I always have this problem where like 6 is too small and 8 is too big. The waist on this is fine. It's always the bum and the thighs. Let me know if you have the same problem, because I feel like a lot of girls do, because jeans are just, yeah, really difficult with sizing. That's why I always just wear baggy boyfriend, girlfriend, loose jeans, because I can't be bothered to find tight jeans that are actually flattering and comfortable. But yeah, I love the top. And then we have a hoodie version of that turtleneck. It's got the 3 same butterflies, but it's like an oversized white hoodie. I was thinking I could tie-dye this and like add orange to like match the butterflies, put orange patches, but then again, I don't know if I'm that good at tie-dyeing yet. But yeah, this is the last item from the haul. It's one of my favorites. I'm just gonna live in this at home. I hope you enjoyed this haul. I'll check if I can get a discount code for you guys. If I do, I'll leave it down below. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to check out my Instagram and subscribe and like. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!